Hi there, this is Abhishek Ambar. I'm the co-founder of Dude. And first of all, congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a data scientist. And I can assure you that this is the perfect place to learn data science, as we have already taught it to over 5,000 plus students online. We will teach you everything from very scratch to the advanced level in this course. So even if you are a beginner, you can start with us. You will learn here step by step, starting with Excel, then Python, probability and statistics, and then advanced Python tool like NumPy, Pandas, after that EDA, and mathematics for data science, and finally advanced topics like deep learning and neural network. And not just that, you will also get 20 hours plus of high quality professional content, in which you will also be building 3 plus real world case studies throughout this course. After you enroll in our course, you can find there is a chat with mentor button at the bottom right of the course screen. And from there, you can get connected to our mentor support throughout the day in between 10 am to 10 pm and gets your doubt resolved in real time. And approximately 2.5 lakhs of doubts are solved by our mentors till now. And at the end, after completing the course, you will also get industry recognized certificate and internship assistance from our side. And recently, we have also launched a limited time refund offer. And under this offer, if you enroll in our course now and complete the course within 3 months time, then you can get your whole fees back directly into your source bank account. And even after completing the course and getting the refund, you will still have the access of our courses and mentorship services for lifetime, so that you can come back anytime to revise your concepts and get any mentorship assistance if needed.